What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on AMP, which has once again pumped up 15% in the last 24 hours. It was a random pump out of nowhere earlier this evening. However, it has started to take a little bit of a step back, so we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up. Is it going to keep pumping over the next couple of hours, overnight, and over the coming days as well? Or is it going to literally drop back down in value? As you guys can see, since about mid-October, it has gained an insane amount of value and it's on the right track. So how long is this likely to go on for? And going into 2024, what can we expect from AMP? Is it worth investing into it? Is it a must-have in your wallet in 2024? That's what we're going to be going through as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.002816 cents. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.003793 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, do expect dips in between, do expect red candles, but again guys, the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side, so do expect an overall increase in value from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days here we're looking a little bit more tricky, guys, because the blue and the orange line are both looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. This is not really realistic, if you know what I mean. The only reason is looking quite steep is because of the major pump that took place about 2-3 hours ago, and the graph thinks that is going to keep pumping in that direction at that pace over the coming days. However, that is not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of the week, early next week, AMP should essentially be trading, yes, at a higher value than where it is at the moment, but nothing too crazy, nothing that major, potentially hitting about 0.0045 cents by end of the week, early next week is what I'm expecting. But do expect red days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a hit before it starts to get back up and slowly increase in value towards mid to end of the week. So yes, it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So far so good for AMP. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again guys, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this isn't realistic due to the fact that it's looking way too steep. But over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I am expecting an overall increase from AMP, guys, potentially heading to around 0.006 to 0.007 cents is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at in early 2024, and potentially heading to the 1 cent target by Q2 of 2024 is what my expectations are at the moment. However, I am expecting a price correction in the crypto market over the coming 2 to 3 weeks, guys. I've mentioned this in my previous updates on other cryptos, but yeah, I am expecting a price correction, especially on Bitcoin, due to the fact that it's pumped up quite a bit over the last week or two, it is likely to drop back down below $40,000 by, let's say, over the next 2 weeks approximately. There will be more updates on that. However, at the moment, this is my take. If there are any changes to that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, even though there is a price correction coming, after that it should pump back up, going back up in value to above where it's trading at the moment, $45,000 in Q1 of 2024. So anyways, back to AMP, guys. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone. And to hit the green zone, we need to hit about 0.015 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from AMP anytime soon, at least not for the next year and a half. So yeah, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we can slowly and steadily gain value, head up towards the positive direction, heading up to the resistance target, we should be good to go. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 155% in the last 24 hours, especially around the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. A lot more people have been looking into the project from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning at the moment it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it as more and more people are looking into the project. So is there a potential breakout coming soon for AMP in 2024? Well, I would say yes, there is. Not just for AMP, but the crypto market, I am expecting it to be moving towards a positive direction for most of 2024, just like what happened in 2021. That was a crazy year for the crypto market, with Bitcoin hitting $60,000 and so on. However, 2024, I am expecting Bitcoin to be heading over the $60,000 mark, hitting a new all-time high and heading way above that in the coming years. But again, there will be more updates on Bitcoin for that. And again, if you guys want to keep up to date on the crypto market, my Telegram channel is now live. You guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, I do have a discount code for you guys, DEC10, for 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. Just to give you guys a brief explanation, what happens once you sign up is you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. Don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot, and you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos, analysis, predictions, and so on, which I will also give you. The second chat is another one where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, do bear in mind, I am not a short-term trader. I am a long-term investor, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But when I do buy it, it is at a very good entry point, and when I get out, it's at a very good exit point as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. Before I end the video, let me know in the comment section down below your predictions for AMP in 2024. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.